Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful, who is the King of the kings, Rahman and Rahim, regulating the complex system of the universe and the master of the day of judgment. This is me, Muhammad Hafiz. I'm the student of Creating Stars Academy. Today, I want to tell you that always be ready. Every morning I rise, my feet touch the floor. I'm prepared for war, prepared to grow, ready for more. Courage will never live in me. I will show all your doubts. I will fight. I will win. You will see. I'm ready to give all I have. I was born ready, ready to contribute, ready to create, ready to grow. Can't stop, won't slow. Greatness was never achieved by those who took the easy road. I have flicked the switch, turned on this mode. I know I must work. I know I must push. I know I must sacrifice. I will work. I will push. I will sacrifice. Never will I take advantage to all. I add value to all. I give my all for the benefit of all. I will never take advantage. I will never drop the ball. I will lead with integrity. I will stand tall. My legacy is on the line. My pride is on the line. My integrity is on the line. My life is on the line. Never will I settle for less than I can be. Courage will never ever live in me. This is what I fear the most, being right or rest. I will not rush until I'm better than the very best, until I'm better than yesterday. Then I will catch my breath, recharge and go again, go harder, grow more, learn more, so I can give more, so I can be proud, so I can be proud of what I have become. Proud because I have always given my all. Whether I lost or won, I kept going. I showed heart, I showed courage, I showed what I was made of. That's why I'm proud. I did it my way, not the easy way. My way, I didn't listen to others. I did what is best for me. I worked for it, I fought for it, I created my own legacy. Thanks.